CBI is all set to grill Sushant Singh Rajput's sisters as well in the late actor's death case. The probe agency is likely to question Sushant's sister Meetu today about the sequence of events between the 8th and the 12th of June as she came to live with Sushant during that time. CBI sources reveal that if required, Meetu will be confronted with all key players, including Rhea Chakravarti, Pithani, Deepesh and Neeraj. The CBI is also likely to grill Sushant's sister Priyanka and her husband Siddharth. The probe agency may question the two over molestation allegations levelled by Rhea and might confront the two with Rhea if required. So far, Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-staffers Samuel Miranda and Shruti Modi have revealed to the CBI that Sushant's sisters came to meet him at the Waterstone Hotel in November 2019 as the actor was not feeling well. The siblings got into a fight and the sisters left the club, after which Sushant's situation worsened and the actor was then admitted to a hospital. In crucial WhatsApp chats between Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi and Sushant's sister Neetu, it is revealed that Sushant's family did know about his deteriorating mental health condition. Here's what we know so far.
Crucial WhatsApp chat between Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi and Sushant's sister Neetu. The November 2019 chats reveal that Sushant's family knew about his deteriorating mental health condition. The messages by Shruti mentions antidepressants and schizophrenia drugs prescribed for Sushant. The former manager also shared Sushant's prescription and number of psychiatrist Suzanne Walker with Neetu.
This is a prescription that Shruti Modi allegedly sent to Sushant's sister already. So the family was in the know-how of Sushant consuming these drugs. The reason we're listing these drugs out is for you to know that these are the drugs that are used to treat some sort of a mental health disorder, and those are the giveaway. Curipin in 25 milligrams, from what I understand from doctors, it is a pediatric dose. It's a very mild dose given, but this is a dose which is given to treat a condition called schizophrenia. So he was under treatment for schizophrenia, which is a mental health disorder, as you already know. The second one is Serta, also goes by the name Sertraline, in 50 milligrams. This is a medication which is an SSRI. It is used for treating depression.
Shruti, who was Sushant's manager before working for Rhea, adds that the chats clearly show that Sushant's family's claims of being kept in the dark on Sushant's health is untrue.
सुशांत की तीनों बहनें जो हैं वो बंबई में थी और सुशांत के साथ ही रह रही थी और एक पर्टिकुलर डेट उनकी फिक्स थी जब सुशांत उनके साथ जो है बंबई के बाहर जाने वाला था. They were to fly on 27th November 2019 और इनकी बिजनेस क्लास की टिकट्स जो है वो बनी हुई थी चारों की और 26 को जो है इन्होंने आपस में डिस्कशन किया था और रिया से जो है मैनेजर से जो है इन्होंने चैट्स किए थे कि हमें चूंकि सुशांत ये अभी हमारे साथ जा रहा है तो इनके सारे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जो हैं वो आप दे दो.
Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti too had claimed that she had informed Sushant's family and even handed over his medical files.
उनकी जो एल्डेस्ट सिस्टर है ओपी सिंह जी की वाइफ, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं सब जानती हूँ मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में, मैंने अपनी मदर का भी टेक केयर किया है एंड आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. और मैंने उन्हें बताया ठीक है मैम ये लीजिए, ये हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स, ये हैं प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस, ये हैं डॉक्टर्स के नंबर, ये हैं दवाइयाँ, आप प्लीज टच में रहिएगा.
Dr. Parveen Dadachandji, who wrote the alleged prescription for Sushant, seen in the WhatsApp chats, now holds crucial role in throwing light on Sushant's mental health.
Sushant's family in their complaint said that they were not aware about his mental illness, but chats revealed by ex-manager Shruti Modi points in another direction, which the CBI will now have to investigate. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
While the probe agencies continue to investigate the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, the spotlight remains on the late actor's four sisters, like we just said, who've relentlessly fought for justice, they say. In this report, we tell you about the sisters who were, or at least appeared to be, Sushant's support system.
And this is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
My brother has become Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Four sisters who were dear to their bhai, laughing with their beloved Sushant, celebrating his success. The sibling rivalry quickly turned into a determined fight to justice in Sushant's death, joining force for a CBI investigation. And against the one they see as a villain in their brother's life. The Rajput sisters were once Sushant's support system. Neetu Singh, or Rani, is the eldest of Sushant's sisters. In a Facebook post, the actor had called Neetu his second mother. Her husband O.P. Singh is an ADG in Haryana and Special Officer to Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. In fact, India Today had accessed an old photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput having lunch with his eldest sister and brother-in-law in happier times earlier this year. Neetu Singh, whom Sushant fondly called Ruby Di, was the first to reach his residence when the actor was found hanging. Neetu had shared a video from Sushant's last birthday on January 21st, where he was seen driving a car to Panchkula and later singing a devotional song. Next is Priyanka, whom Sushant was closest to. Priyanka and her husband are lawyers practicing in Delhi. India Today had accessed a video of Priyanka threatening a former staffer who was accused of financial irregularities.
पैसे ट्रांसफर हुए? नाम बोलो। पैसे ट्रांसफर हुए? आज पैसे ट्रांसफर हुए पंकज को? जिसको हमने निकाला था? तुझे अंदाजा से नहीं जो मैं कर सकता हूँ। एक बॉलीवुड स्टार के घर में तू आके ये सोच रहा है। नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट लॉयर के सामने तू ये सोच रहा है और तू कह रहा है नहीं, क्या बोल रहा है तू? अपने ही बोल क्या?
Riya had alleged that Priyanka had even groped her in sleep in an inebriated state after a party.
उनकी बहन और मेरे साथ एक हादसा हुआ जो उन्होंने काफी शराब पी के मुझे इनअप्रोप्रिएटली गलत जगहों पे छूने की कोशिश की और
प्रियंका जो है
प्रियंका जी ने। और अगले दिन मैंने सुशांत को अगले दिन मेरा शूट था, मैं चेन्नई गई थी अपनी फिल्म के मुहूर्त के लिए। मैंने सुशांत को फोन पे बताया कि उसने बोला तुम क्यों चली गई रात को, आधी रात को। मैंने बोला ऐसा ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ।
Sushant's fourth sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, is the most active and vocal on social media. Right from sharing cherished moments with her brother to attacking Riya Chakrabarti directly, Shweta has been most vocal. In fact, Shweta released snapshots of Riya's WhatsApp chats with alleged drug dealers. It has been a long and riveting fight for the four Rajput sisters. Will their persistence uncover the truth? Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Chaiti Narula explains the Sushant Singh Rajput family tree now, because it might get confusing for many of our viewers. Some of the sisters could be questioned now by the CBI. Take a look.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.